The HD forged adjustable track bar for the JL and JT has 2 clamp screws to prevent the adjuster from turning. These need to be tightened all the way to do this effectively. Tighten up the screws until they are snug. The small button head screw should never be loosened. It's set up in the factory to hold the adjuster in the correct position. Using a torque wrench, tighten the screws to 60 foot-pounds. When you tighten the second screw, the clamp will close a little more and the first screw will be just a little bit loose. Alternate between the 2 screws until they are both torqued to 60 foot-pounds, without needing to tighten any further. This will take 5 or 6 times of going back and forth.